Hello children, welcome to my class. I am Sasmita Patra. Hope you are safe at home. Today I am going to teach Standard 4 Moral Science Lesson 1. Let's go for the topic. And today's topic is God is love. God lives very close to you, and each person is an image of God. When you show kindness to them, God blesses you and make you happy. God cannot be everywhere, so He sent father and mother to the earth as your parents. So respect and obey your parents and elders. Venus and Lena and their parents made a happy family. Venus was studying in class 9 and Lena in class 4. Their parents were very pious and God-fearing. They wanted Veena and Lena also to be God-fearing. Everybody early in the morning they offered prayers together to God at home. On Sunday they went to the nearby temple to worship God. The mother prepared a small basket with flowers and a coconut for worship. The father used to keep his saving of the week to give it to the beggars who sat on 2 rows near the temple gate. Venus and Lena happily distributed the money to the beggars. Every Sunday the beggars waited for the arrival of Venus and Lena to get something. On the birthday of Venus and Lena, the dad bought sweets to distribute to the beggars. Venus and Lena noticed great happiness on the faces of the shabby and poorly clad beggars. The mother told them that the alms given to the poor were pleasing to God. When Lena asked her mother, "Where is God?" Mother replied, "God is love," and told them a beautiful story about a cobbler. There was an old cobbler named Ramesh. He was poor. He worked hard to meet his needs. He was a good man. He led a happy and contented life. During the day, he went to the marketplace and worked hard. At night, he read the scripts and prayed to God. He used to thank God for all the gifts he received from Him. He thanked God for his happy and contented life. He thought God had been very good to me. I wish God come home one day. Will he come to visit this old man in his poor house? After his prayer, Ramesh slept. He heard a voice telling him in his dream, "Ramesh, you are a devout man. You want me to come home. I will come. Look out for me tomorrow and you will see me." Ramesh woke up from sleep. He was confused whether it was a dream or God really spoke to him. He could not continue his sleep. Next day, Ramesh cleared his house and set it neat. To receive God, he prepared the best food possible to honor his guest. He kept looking at the street to see whether anybody was coming to his house. He could not see anybody coming. He was anxiously waiting for the calling bell to ring. Around 10 o'clock, he found an old man sweeping the road. Ramesh called him in and gave him some hot tea and a few slices of bread and told the old man, "God will visit me today. Everything is set for him." The old man thanked him for his kindness and went away. Ramesh still waited for God. He sat near the window looking for God. After some time, he saw a beggar woman with a baby knocking at the door. She was lean and poorly dressed. The child was crying for food. He called her in and gave her some food and milk for child. He also gave her new clothes and some money. The woman was very happy. As she was going away, her face looked bright. She thanked and blessed Ramesh many times and went away. It was already evening. There was no sign of God coming. Ramesh grew tired. He did not eat anything. He waited to honor his special guest first. Suddenly he heard a loud cry from the street. He rushed out of his house and saw two boys fighting. He went to the boys and made peace between them. He then gave them some sweets and told them to be friends always. The boys forgot about their fight. They put their hands around each other's shoulders and went away. They thanked the old man for his kindness. Ramesh waited till late night. Still his special guest did not come. He was disappointed. Though he was tired, he sat down to pray. He complained that God did not keep his promise. When he was praying, he saw God in the white light. He heard a soft voice, "Ramesh, I come 3 times today to visit you. You did not recognize me. First I came to your house and you treated me with slice of bread and hot tea. Then I came to your house as a poor woman with a child. You gave me food, milk, clothes and money. Finally, I came in the form of two boys. You settled their fight and gave food. I am so pleased that you are kind to all." Ramesh fell at the feet of God. He understood that people whom he helped during the day were God in different forms. God blessed Ramesh with many gifts and departed. Children, what is the moral of the story that you learned from this lesson? We learned that whenever you treat people with love and kindness, you meet God. You need not search God anywhere. He is in your house, in your street, or in your town. When you show kindness to others, God blesses you, and that makes you happy. That's all for today. Stay home, stay safe, and learn all the hard words from your lesson. Thank you.